I be so sick, even niggas that contradict me. I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, so when you around me, treat me like all the right, wear me.
You're a star, I just wanna show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. And make her come check you, my babe. No time, no time. I'm a dog.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. It is 8:02 a.m. I don't have any lipstick on right now, y'all. I know I look crazy, but I'm about to go to Dunkin' and I don't want it to mess up my lipstick and lip gloss. I woke up today with a little itchy throat. I don't like that. Right now I'm on my way to Dunkin' because I want to get me an avocado toast because your girl is starving. But I want to go to Target. I have some returns I need to make, but I'm probably gonna have to go back home to go get the receipts because I was looking for one of the receipts and I really hope I didn't throw it away. I hope this is it. It is it! Oh my gosh! And I got this stuff right in the back, okay? Girl, we just gonna have a field day. A field day, not field day. Sound like I said field day, but a field day of little shenanigans. And I think I want to get my car washed because a bird doo-dooed on my car. Let me show y'all my nice clean car and the bird doo-dooed on it. Good morning, welcome to Dunkin'. May I take your order? Hi, can I do the avocado toast?
You said the avocado toast, anything else?
And then can I do a small iced matcha latte?
That's it?
And can I get that with vanilla? Thank you. Thank you. Y'all, I've never had a matcha from Dunkin', and I feel like just based off of how light it is, I feel like it's gonna be disgusting. It's not even mixed all the way, bro. Okay, so I just got to Target. Let me taste my matcha because I don't feel like it's gonna be good. Okay, it's actually good. It's actually good. I'm about to eat my avocado toast, and then we'll go inside. All right, y'all, so I just got back in the car from Target. Left my matcha in the car on accident.
One shot to your heart without breaking your skin. No one has the power to hurt you like your kin. Kept it
Here, but Ulta is right here by HomeSense. I just returned that stuff. So now we're gonna go into Ulta.
inside, didn't tell no one else.
So we're back in the car. Ulta did not have what I was looking for. 39 minutes away to that shoe store. And then over there is probably the Ulta and whatnot. So let's get this thing on the road. I really wish they had like breakfast snacks. I wish that was like a thing because my avocado toast, literally, I'm still hungry. Usually it fills me up, but I'm still hungry. I'll talk to you guys when we get there.
Didn't even wanna admit it to yourself. And now
How are you doing?
Hi, good, how are you? I'm looking for, do y'all have OnCloud?
We do.
Okay, I'm looking for the monsters. Do y'all have those?
Do you know what size you needed, or?
Yes, I need a 7.5.
7.5.
Oh, that's the only one. I was looking for the orange one.
Like that it won't be in the 7.5. Is like a white with a green bottom.
But never mind then, because I'm looking for that exact color.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, thank you. It's the fact that I knew I was gonna drive all the way over here and they weren't gonna have it. I should have freaking called, but they had a green one and they were cute, but not in my size. So whatever. On to Ulta.
burns in your back aches from 15 years of holding.
Okay, bag secured at Ulta. We're gonna go to the UPS store. It's 11:19. We are just doing so good on time.
And now you always have yourself to blame if you continue to live this way. You wanna heal your body. You have to heal your heart. Whatsoever you sow, you will reap. Get it together. You can fly.
Okay, y'all, so just got done washing my car. We're gonna go back to my part of town, then go to get the groceries. I don't know why I didn't get them when I was in Target, because that was my plan. But I think because I was filming a video, it completely slipped my mind. But my car is all clean now. She's smelling fresh, looking fresh. I love that for her. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home from everything. I was gonna go to the store, but I realized that I have leftover pizza that I'm gonna eat instead of cooking, because I don't feel like cooking. I really don't feel like cooking. So I am just putting away the stuff I got from Target and Ulta, and I think I'm gonna sit down and edit some. My cramps are going crazy right now, so yeah, I'm gonna sit down and edit, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Later that day.
This is not a flattering angle at all. Hey y'all, so it's much later, and I'm sure y'all could tell. I don't know if I told y'all, but earlier I was not feeling too well, so that's why I came home. I came home and I fell asleep. Well, not that I wasn't feeling well, my throat was just hurting a little bit. Took some Tylenol and I was cool, you know, through the day. And that took a turn. When I went to sleep, I woke up. I was only gonna take a 30-minute nap. I woke up and my body is just aching like it is right now. My head, my nose is starting to run now. My throat is definitely hurting. So I just got back from Target again, but I just did the drive up this time so I could not have to go inside. Just got some orange juice and some honey, because I didn't have any honey for my tea. I got the Good and Gather brand. I actually like the Good and Gather brand. It's cheaper than a lot of the other stuff. And then I also got a lemon lime Gatorade ginger ale. They say, y'all already know, black people say ginger ale fix any sickness. Anyway, yeah, so I woke up with a 101.1 fever. So I'm about to take some Tylenol, take a shower, eat, and lay back on the couch. So I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the vlog, but I know tomorrow I ain't doing nothing. It was supposed to be like a weekend thing, a weekend vlog, but this has gotta go. And I really wanna sit down now, so I'm taking my temperature again, just to be on the safe side. Okay, it went down.
He needs some milk.
A little bit, can y'all see that? It's 100.7. But take this Tylenol, take a shower, and lay down. If I don't talk to you guys soon, I will come back to do like an outro. I'm gonna try to remember to. Okay, bye.
Several days later.
Dark future ahead of me, that's what they say. I'd be starving if I ate all the lies they fed, 'cause I've been reading.
Oh my gosh, y'all, hey, what's up? Y'all, I haven't talked to you guys in days. I am feeling much better, much better. And I thought I'd just come on and tell you guys that. Probably in the vlog here, because I don't have anything else to do. It's Tuesday and I have to go back to work tomorrow, but I am feeling so much better. I was down, I didn't have the flu, I didn't have COVID, and I didn't have strep, but girl, it beat your girl down. And today is the day where I actually feel better and well enough to do things. Right now I'm making some avocado toast, the Dunkin' style, because I ain't going nowhere. But that's really it, y'all. I wanted to come on here and tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with me. I know the vlog was not that long. I don't think it was, but just thank you for coming along. And I'm so sorry that I got sick in between, but I'm feeling great, looking better, feeling better. My hair ain't it, but don't speak on that, okay? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.
No time,
She like them boys with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.